Take your cup and place it on the pattern. And wherever you see a line, you're going to draw a line on your cup. This way your lines will be placed correctly so that you will be able to cut them. Here's a line, so you place it on your cup. A line, a line. We're going to keep going around. Keep your hand on the top of the cup so it doesn't move. And transfer all those lines. Okay? When you're sure that you have it, take it off. And then we cut down. And we stop at that line at the bottom. We don't cut it all the way down to the bottom of the cup. As straight as you can. It doesn't matter what size scissors you have. You could have regular scissors. Same thing. Cut. Go down to that line. Stop. And keep cutting until you have all 9 lines cut. Try to make them as straight as possible. There. These are called the warp. They move backwards and forwards so that you can weave your crepe paper through it. There should be 9 of them. Take the crepe paper or the tissue paper strips and make them into like a rope. Hold it in one finger around your pointy finger and then just twist. When you pull off, it will be a rope. It goes from wide to thin. This will enable you to weave the basket a lot easier. If you have a big piece in the middle, you just need to rewind it, and you're all set. To begin weaving, we're going to place our tissue paper, pull one of the little warp sides down, place it inside. You can see it goes inside. And there, it's held for you. Now that is inside the cup. This one will be outside the cup. Pull the next one down and place the tissue underneath of it or inside the cup. Make the next one an outside. Pull one of the sides down and place the tissue paper on the inside of the cup. Skip one, make it go on the outside. Pull one side down. After that, place the tissue on the inside of that, inside the cup, and keep going. Outside, pull one down, inside. You keep going around, and as you do that, you will find that you're creating a pattern of inside and outside of the cup on the warp lines. These are called warp lines. If one comes loose, just tuck it back in. Keep pulling them, pushing them down so they touch each other as gently as you can. If you pull too hard, your cup will go in like that. We don't want that to happen. So just loosen it up. You can have any kind of look that you want. But when you're done with one, like I'm running out right here, I'm just going to tuck it in the back until I can attach another one to it. Here I've got another color, and I left off right inside here. So I'm going to just put those two on top of each other. This is where the pink ended, right here. So I'm going to stick the blue there. I don't even need to hold it because that was an inside. Now I take the blue to the outside. And then inside, and I just keep going. Now it's with the blue. Pushing it down as I go until I've woven as much as I want. I can continue to change colors like this too. It's under and over and inside and outside. Well, that wasn't a whole lot of blue, was it? If it's too loose, pull it through and push it down. Continue on with another one. I have a light pink. Where did I leave off? Ah, there it is. I'll just put the two together. It's always in back of the cup. So now I go over the next one, because these are in back, under, over, behind, outside, behind. Oops, this is pulling out a little. Push it back, outside. And let's see. Where did I finish off? Right here. So it's on the inside. I place the tape on the inside, or the crepe paper on the inside, and keep on going all the way around until I've woven up to my rim. It's outside, inside, until I'm back again. And then when I'm done, I just rip, take a little bit off, and tuck it in the back, inside, like that. Now we need to make a handle for the basket. I can make any kind or color handle I want. I think I'm just going to take 2 pieces of tissue paper or crepe paper and twist them together. Oop, this one's a little long, just rip it off. And I'm going to put it on the top here, and I'm going to staple it in. And then go across from it. And staple it in. Watch the fingers. And here I have my basket, and I just need to fill it with some salsa or Easter grass. I'll be all set. It's a nicely woven basket. And here we have the basket with a little bit of Easter grass, or sometimes it's called salsa in there. Looks very nice. The last thing that we need to do is to turn it over, take a marker, and write your name. Another thing we could do if you have some time is that we can put a little design or color on some of the blanker areas with permanent marker. Just to give it a little color. Color patterns or designs or whatever else you would like. Here I'm using blue permanent marker. Just remember to cap your permanent markers up quickly when you're done with them, because they smell. And they'll dry out super fast if you don't. And there we have our finished basket. Sometimes it's nice to add on little bits and pieces to make your basket extra special. If you color any flower or butterfly or whatever you want on the front and the back, and you take its little arms, you can roll up the petals with your pencil, so that way when you're rolling it you can see color on both sides of the paper, and it would look nice put on around your basket too. You can add different things like jewels or cut out paper or decorate it any way you like. To attach them, all you need is some clear tape rolled sticky side out. Place it on the back, and then decide where you want to place it on your basket. That might be a nice place. It can be symmetrical, it can be asymmetrical, balanced or unbalanced, whatever you would like, whatever you want to see. That's just a little extra additions we can do to our basket. Lovely spring basket.